Mr. Chief Justice, I beg the indulgence of Senator Judge Cayetano. This is a point of order.
What's the point of order?
I noticed that while Senator Rocco was in effect answering the point that I was raising when I was having the floor, after he made his point, a group of spectators in that part of the gallery went out of their way to stand out of their seats, deliberately violating the sign which are very clearly pasted on our walls saying, "Please remain seated," just to look at me in a provocative way. May I request senators from now on to raise their questions with the witness and not try to initiate a debate or a colloquy with their own fellow senator. I would believe that the very barest essentials of protocol and etiquette dictates such behavior and conduct. And may I request the Chief Justice to discipline, at the very least to admonish and to reprimand this group that feels itself so high above the law that, notwithstanding that the regulation is clearly presented in their direction, have deliberately gone out of their way to provoke a judge into disturbing another senator judge and indeed the entire impeachment proceedings. I absolutely resent that accusation. And if necessary, I shall file a motion to cite these persons for contempt as soon as the pages can cooperate with me in identifying what their names and addresses are, and asking the court as penalty to interdict them from ever crossing the threshold of the Senate session hall again.
Can these people be identified, Your Honor?
Yes, I can, Mr. Chief Justice, because not only once, they did it twice. The first time they...
If they can be pointed to,
yes, please.
May the pages call their attention.
Those two pages, those two gentlemen in the gray barongs, nakita ninyong tumayo yung mama na yan dyan, hindi ba? At yung katabi niyang mga babaeng yan.
Get the names. Get the names of the persons involved. So the Honorable Senator Judge Miriam Defensor Santiago may be able to take the appropriate move afterwards.
Mr. Chief Justice, I will return to my seat so that I can identify them.
Yes, so you can do that. Would the gentleman or the lady wanted to please step forward?
I mean you, and the woman beside you. Yes, and that man beside that woman. The three of you.
Get the names of the persons pointed to by the Honorable Senator. No. You should.
Mr. Chief Justice, I most respectfully beg the Chief Justice to order the pages to get the names and addresses of those three individuals that I have handpicked and pointed to specifically.
The request is granted.
And may I ask the Chief Justice, is it ethical behavior for a senator judge to wait for one senator judge to rise and try and make a point with a witness and then stand up and try and rebut that? Because then we would be in an adversarial position with each other if that is the case. I will therefore try and outweigh every other senator and try and blunt whatever point he or she is trying to make as well. May I seek clarification from the Chief Justice or from the Senate President if a caucus is necessary. I understood that no colloquy would be allowed under the Senate impeachment rules, and I understand that I am being provoked by colloquy.
Ask for Mr. Chief
The
Justice,
Senate President is first recognized.
may I ask for a suspension of the proceedings for at least 20 minutes?
Just for a while. In the meantime, but there is the pending request by the Senate President. The pages who were requested to take down the names and the addresses of the persons pointed to by the Honorable Senator Judge Miriam Defensor Santiago should make a report thereafter. Session is suspended for
20 minutes.
20 minutes.